Regarding the GX Certified Incident Handler Certification Exam, this is what you should know. The exam consists of a theoretical assessment as well as a number of practical lab exercises. The format is open book, with multiple choice questions, and the time limit is 214 minutes. In order for you to get a high passing score, you will need to spend considerable time crafting a detailed index. Although the exam is open book, you have a very limited amount of time to find the answers. Also, be prepared to allocate at the very least 1 hour for the lab exercises. GX certifications are highly regarded in the cybersecurity industry, and many job offers nowadays require at least one of them.